If war breaks out, will stocks crash? I'm Bob Stokes with Elliott Wave International. Everyone hopes a military conflict between the United States and North Korea can be avoided. You probably have heard discussions of worst-case scenarios. That's a subject unto itself. Our focus is the behavior of the stock market. We wanted to know if an event as momentous as war determined the market's trend. So we looked at the path of stock prices during World War I, World War II, the Korean War, and the Vietnam War to see if we could find any consistent correlations. These four charts from Robert Prechter's new book, The Socioeconomic Theory of Finance, shows you what our research revealed. Here's the commentary. Figure 12 shows a time of war when stock prices, normalized for inflation, rose then fell. Figure 13 shows a time when they fell, then rose. Figure 14 shows a time when they rose throughout. And Figure 15 shows a time when they fell throughout the hottest half, 1965 through 1975, of a 20-year conflict. Who wins the war doesn't seem to matter. A group of allies won World War I as stock values reached 14-year lows, and nearly the same group of allies won World War II as stock values neared 14-year highs. Obviously, we found no consistent correlation between the performance of the stock market and war. But how about during times of peace? Well, we checked that out too. Here are two more charts from the Socioeconomic Theory of Finance, along with the commentary. Figure 16 provides an example from the 1920s in which stock prices seemingly benefited from peaceful times. The Dow rose over 500% in just 8 years as peace mostly reigned around the globe. Figure 17, however, shows that in the 3 years immediately thereafter, peace likewise mostly reigned around the globe, yet stock prices fell more than they had risen in the preceding 8 years. So, despite the universal assumption to the contrary, the evidence shows that there's no consistent relationship between stock prices and peace or war. However, we do encourage you to analyze the market's Elliott wave structure further. Other research we've conducted shows that market prices trend and reverse in recognizable patterns. Our latest read of these patterns indicates a major juncture just around the corner. Get more financial insights like these, absolutely free. The email link on screen gets you started.